Today we'll show you how to open your calculate in your PC and laptop on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, just follow the steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go now to the search and do right here like a calculate. Okay, calculate like this guys. Okay, just write like this, calculatrice like this. Just will be find here like the mere like the first result. Okay, just click it and will be finally here find every results. Okay, okay, if you didn't find it, just now go to like Microsoft Store and go to the search here like and click like calculate. Okay guys, calculate like did you find here, and you can find it. This is for Windows, you can find it and you will be find your calculate in your PC. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.